Hello, nice to see you again. In today's lesson, I will teach you 21 ways to say hello and goodbye in English. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use 12 ways to say hello and 9 ways to say goodbye. Are you struggling with greetings also? Watch this video to get started. 1. Hey there. Hey there. This is casual, friendly, and familiar. It could be used between good friends or romantic partners in spoken English, text messages, voicemail messages, or emails. 2. What's going on? What's going on? This is casual and could be used between friends or acquaintances in an informal situation like a party. 3. Hey, what's up? This is casual and could be used between friends, colleagues, siblings, etc. 4. Good morning or good afternoon. These greetings are generally more formal and are often used in restaurants, hotels, shops, or at work between colleagues. 5. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? This is formal and might be used between a professional or a customer or between colleagues or a boss and his or her workers. 6. Hey, there she is. Hey, there she is. This is usually used in situations when you know the person well, and it implies that you have been expecting to see the person, or that you are very happy to see the person. Emphasis with pronunciations is placed on there. 7. How's everything? How's everything? This is simply another way of saying, how are you? It is usually used casually. 8. How are things? This is very similar to how is everything and is perhaps more casual than how is everything. 9. Good to see you, or great to see you, or nice to see you. These could all be used informally or casually between business, colleagues, friends, or family members. These phrases are often used when you haven't seen the person in a while. 10. What's happening? Or what's happening? This is mostly used by young people, college age or younger. They might use the phrase to greet their friends when they arrive at a party or when they see each other in class. 11. How's it going? How's it going? This is casual, especially when you shorten it as in how's it going? 12. Good evening. Good evening. This is formal and is often used in upscale, expensive hotels or restaurants to greet guests. Now, let's talk about 9 ways to say goodbye. 1. See you later or see ya later. This becomes more casual when you use ya instead of you. 2. See you soon or see ya soon. This is similar to the other example above. It can be used to indicate that you want to or plan to meet with the person again soon. 3. Take care. Take care. This could be formal or casual, but is usually used with people you know or care about. You might use this in an email or written letter. 4. Take it easy. Take it easy. This is not used now in 2013 as much as it was used in the 1980s and 1990s. However, it is casual and means take care. 5. Gotta go. Gotta go. This is used in casual situations when you want to escape the conversation quickly and you don't want to go through a longer or more sentimental goodbye. Number 6. Talk to you soon. This is used more often in writing emails or on the phone than in daily spoken interactions. It is usually casual. 7. See you next time. See you next time. This is used when you know you will be returning to a specific place and you'll be see the person when you come back. 8. Catch you later. Catch you later. This is used very casually between friends or acquaintance. 9. Have a good one. Have a good one. This means have a nice day and is used casually, but it could be used between strangers, friends, colleagues, or family members. Remember, in English there is more than one ways to say hi and goodbye. So now that you know 21 alternatives, try to use them as much as you can. If you want to make them a part of your vocabulary, try to also listen for them in your daily life. By hearing them often, you will understand when and how to use them in a conversation. Good luck and remember to practice every day. See ya!